1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So another part is do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the hand like that. Okay. And also like that. Yeah, and also like that. Do this one. The third finger and the first finger make a circle. Okay. The first finger and the third finger make a circle, please. And also another one. The first finger and the third finger make a circle, please. Like that. Trees. Do you see? Trees. Like that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So another one is called 1. The leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do not use the leg, just say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also sakura like that. Okay. Sakura open like that. Okay. And also when you open the flower, how do you open the flower? So this one, okay, hand side, okay, open, ready, go, open the flower. Open, okay, so put your in here. Okay, so when you open the flower, 1, 2, 3, open your flower, okay, put in here, another side. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, open, put in here, okay, like that. And also the hand like that, up, okay, up, okay. And also right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also bird, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also like that, the hand like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So and then to put in here. So like that. Okay. And also 1 in here, okay, like that, okay, 1, just like that, okay, and the other side like that, okay, and also 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, the pose like that. How about the pose? The pose for sakura, and then just like that, okay, 1, okay, 2, so for pose like that, okay, the pose like that, sakura. Okay, for the music, sakura music, okay. To please together to do, okay, use the hand, the third finger and the first finger, the third finger and the first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The leg like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the pose like that. Pose like that. Okay. So thank you very much for you guys coming. So only short performance dancing. This is called traditional Chinese classic dancing, fan and ribbon dancing. So I'm teaching is Sakura. Okay, that means is in Vancouver. Also at the end of the May, also have Sakura. Okay, April, May also. So happy.